prevent one, let me know. I can share tips or resources to help you in order for you to be safe from copyright strikes. Thank you, my friends. Anyways, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Can you explain fair use in more detail? Let me explain what fair use is in more detail. Yes, certainly. Fair use is a legal principle that allows limited use of copyrighted materials without permission from the copyright owner under certain circumstances, however. So it's dependent and designed to balance the rights of copyright holders with public interest by enabling creativity, underline this one, creativity, education, and free expression. But it do have key factors for use. These key factors are determining fair use typically involves weighting these four factors, the following four factors. The first one is the purpose and character of use. That means use for non-commercial purposes. You are expected to use address content for non-commercial purposes, such as for education, research, or commentary, news reporting, or just for criticism, which is more likely to be considered fair use. Fair use. The other one is transformative use, where the original work is altered to create something new with a different meaning, with a different message or purpose, which is highly favored. In this sense, you can use address content. Thank you, Zenia. እናመሰግናለን. The second option, the second key factor for fair use is nature of copyrighted work. The nature of copyrighted work depends. So my friend, is using factual or non-fictional work is more likely to be fair. That means fair use as compared to creative works like that of novels, films, or music, which are more protected than other contents. So you have to take care of that. The third option is the amount and sustainability of the portion used. If it is sustainable or if it is used in large portion, it may have a greater chance of being strike with the content user, not the content creator. So using smaller portion or less significant part of the work is more likely to be considered as fair use, and the opposite, that means the vice versa, holds true. So you have to take care of that. Let's say, for example, if the heart of the work, that is most important aspects or the major part of that work is used or reused by another content creator, is less likely to qualify as fair use. Rather, it will be flagged as reused content and copyrighted item. The fourth option, the fourth factor for the fair use is effect on the market. If the use negatively impacts the copyright owner's ability, that is the first creator, thank you Koki, the first creator, to profit from their works, from their original works, is less likely to be considered as fair use. Fair use, rather it is copyright. Let's say, for example, distributing the full text of a book for a free could greatly harm its sale and likely wouldn't be considered as fair use. Rather, it is just theft, just a theft. Let's say, for example, some examples of